Welcome back to the Mindful Presenter Truth Series, Truth 22. There are two big questions. The moment you decide that you'd like to develop your public speaking and presentation skills, or just like to be the best that you could be as a speaker, whatever that looks, sounds and feels like to you personally, the moment you make that decision, you have to ask yourself two questions. They're really important questions. And if you can ask and answer them positively, then you're already on your path to success. If you struggle, it's a big issue for you. These two big questions, I believe, actually apply to just about everything in life. If we have a dream, a goal, an aspiration, something we really, really want to achieve, we always have to answer these two questions. Ready for them? Question one, am I able? Is it humanly possible for me, little old me, Maurice de Castro, to be a really good or better presenter or public speaker? Am I able? Is it within my gift? The answer to that is yes. No exceptions. It applies to all of us. It's always yes. Everything's yes, am I able? Unless you want to, it's something physically impossible. Let's say I'm 5'10" and I want to wake up tomorrow and be 6'3". That's not going to happen. That's not possible. But just about everything else is. Now, some people, when they ask themselves, am I able to achieve something? They can't answer that positively. They struggle. They say, well, no, nobody in my family's ever done that, or I haven't got this, or I haven't got that, or I'm not equipped, or I haven't got the time, I haven't got the money. There's always an excuse. So if you answer that negatively, you say you're not able, you can't even think about going on to the second question. But let's say, for argument's sake, that you've said, yes, of course, what a dumb question. Of course I'm able. The second question is critical. Am I willing? I know I'm able, but now am I willing? Am I willing to do whatever it takes at the exclusion of all other distractions to be a better presenter, a public speaker, to develop my speaking skills, to develop my confidence, my creativity, my authority, my voice? Am I willing to do whatever it takes as a speaker? If you can answer yes to that question, then again, as I've said, you're on the path to success. If you say no, I'm not willing to do whatever it takes, you have to let it go. Let go of that goal, that dream, that aspiration, because it'll always be a fantasy. This applies, as I mentioned earlier, to everything. Whether you want to lose weight, earn more money, get promoted, start a business, write a book, run a marathon, be a better father, mother, son, daughter, whatever it is, you have to always ask and answer those two questions. Am I able and am I willing? Of course you're able. The question is, are you willing? Are you willing to do whatever it takes to develop your presentation and public speaking skills? I know you're able. We work with thousands of people every year that are able. Question is, are you willing? If you are and you need help, you know where we are. Remember, there's tons of free stuff that can help you if you're willing. It's on our website, mindfulpresenter.com. If you'd like further help, give us a call. Thank you.